How to hide your Instagram story from everyone at once? For that, you have to open Insta and tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Go to three-line icon at top right corner. Now on the settings and activity page, scroll down and tap on hide story and live. Open it. So I just have chosen one person. If you want to select everyone, then there is no such option to hide a story from everyone at once. So you just have to tap manually one by one. So it will be easier if you have less followers, but if you have more followers, then it's quite difficult and time consuming. So the best way I can teach you is to hide your story from some particular person, or you can hide a story from your another account. After you have done that, let's come back from here. And you have to go to close friends and select the same ID that you have hidden from. Once you have done that, you have to add a story. For that, tap on your story at the top left corner. Once you have added any photo or video, you just have to tap on close friends at the bottom right corner. As we all know that we have set to close friend and that close friend ID is hidden. So now our Instagram story won't be seen by anyone. So that's how we can easily hide our Instagram story from everyone at once. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.